In this tutorial, I'll show you how to join text and cell values using the concatenate function in Google Sheets, so you can create clean, dynamic text like names, messages, or labels automatically. Start with a simple example. Imagine column A has first names and column B has last names. Now you want to combine them into a full name or even a greeting. Click into an empty cell where you want the result. Then type a formula like this, equals concatenate, followed by your text and cell references. For example, you can join a greeting, a first name, a space, and a last name all in one formula. Just remember to wrap any fixed text like hello inside quotation marks and separate each part with commas. Once you press enter, Google Sheets will instantly combine everything into one clean sentence, like a full name or a personalized message. If you want to apply this to multiple rows, don't rewrite the formula again and again. Just drag the fill handle down, and Sheets will automatically adjust the cell references for each row. This function is especially useful when working with contact lists, generating emails, or formatting data for reports. You can mix text, numbers, and even results from other formulas all into one output. One quick tip, if you only need a simple join, you can also use the ampersand symbol instead of concatenate. It does the same thing but feels faster once you get used to it. And that's it. You now know how to combine strings and cells using the concatenate function, making your data cleaner, smarter, and much more efficient to work with.